So what's up guys? This is a new week starting from tomorrow, or I can say today. So this week I've been off, not sent much of trades. Yep. I was like so held up with many things I couldn't share my trades this week. So I will start this week with some weekly review. No, not actually weekly review, but weekly outlook. So I will start from uh, the the newses for the week. So for this week news, we have news on Monday, which will be flash PMI, and we have CB consumer confidence, and then on Wednesday we don't have news, so that's a not trading day for me. So on Thursday, then we have unemployment claims and Fed Chair Powell speaks. So and Friday we close with core price index. So I will start by tomorrow and wait for past this news, which is PMI, because so I won't be trading on Wednesday. So I'll focus on Monday, Tuesday, or Thursday, and maybe Friday. But Friday we know we look for the return for range. So if that's all for the news this week. So as we go from the weekly chart on Dixie, we can see let me remove this first. Can't look for the monthly chart because like we know what we are likely to draw on the monthly. As you can see, we are drawing lower. This is the drawn liquidity for us, and for now, if you go to the weekly chart, we already traded to this fair value gap and made a swing. So my currently draw is that low as from the monthly chart. And if we look for the daily chart, we are currently we formed an SMT of this key level. So right now I will wait. If we get a close below this candle, will be nice for a trade lower, which will be like an order block, which will push price lower. So that's what I'm expecting, a short-term candle to form, then close below this candles low and form like a nice uh order block for lower prices. Yep. So from Monday we can expect like a continuation lower because we traded to a key level on Thursday. So like if we traded to a key level on Thursday, Monday is likely to like continue with the order flow which was from Thursday. Yep. As you can see from the let me quick show you something real quick. As you can see with this that's not a clear, this one here. As you see, on we traded on a key level on Thursday. So what did Monday do? Continue lower. And so this is the same thing I would expect from here. So we'll see. I will wait and see how it presents itself of after the news, which will be 9:45 New York time. Yep, that's my idea on Dixie. If we look at Euro USD, we traded above this fair value gap and closed above it. So like we don't need to trade again lower for like potential higher prices. So I will expect like if we can continue higher and trade above this buy side liquidity and hunt the buy side, which will be so nice. On GBP same thing. I would anticipate like a continuation lower. But if it will be like a nice hunt lower, maybe we hunt this Friday's low and form SMT with Euro USD. Maybe one of them to hunt the low and form an SMT. That will be like the low of the week formed, and we will expect the other one Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to be like continuation. That's my perspective. So the other pair which looks so nice is this. As I was looking it with from the weekly perspective. So because so this is an SMT, we have SMT from this low and this low, and this one made a lower low while Audi made a higher high, as you can see. So if we use like the weekly time frame alignment, weekly to 4 hour, we will see like it had an market maker buy model. which it has already hunted hit this high, while this it is not near the high yet. So like I would like still higher continuation on them both. Why? Because if you look at the weekly chart, we still have this buy side liquidity which is resting right here. This is the buy side. So like we have internal range to external range. That's my idea. So on both of them, that's what I'm looking for. On AUD and NSDUSD, is I will work off from this. Maybe wait for a nice SMT of this key level here, and for a trade continuation higher. Yep. So the other thing I'm looking at is this pair. Uh, Oil. I'll be looking for oil. So as you can see, guys, we have been trading. We have been making higher and lower lows. Like we have been. This is the ideal. High, low, high, low, high, low, high. So for me right now, I'm looking for maybe an trade lower to this here, this liquidity here. So I will wait for much more confluence that will show me prices now trading lower. Yep. Because as you can see, this is the key low, the key high right now because it made an SMT and we traded off there, and this is like a nice one. So I'm looking for maybe if we can form a SMT of this key level and close below a candle form an order block, that will be like the high of the day which is formed, and would like see price trade lower. Yep. So that's it on oil, and those are the pair which I'm looking at this week. So if I take a quick look out of the indices, NAS we have been trading higher. Sorry for that actually. uh NAS have been trading high. So like my next drawn liquidity is this high. Then we have this fair value gap here, the C here. You can see we never traded there yet. So like on 930, if I can get a manipulation lower and maybe trade to this delivery rebalance, would be ideal for me to go high, something like this, then this. Yep. Then if you can trade above it, you can use it to trade above the buy side. That's my idea on NAS. On US30, we already hunted the high, so like there is no liquidity. So I'm I'm expecting like higher prices till you are proven otherwise. And on SP, same thing, no liquidity here. So like I expect higher prices. Yep. So like NAS is the one which you have a clear liquidity or like idea of draw. So I'll focus on it so much and see if I can get an ideal entry to go high, to go long from here to here. Yep. So that's nice. If we look at the 1 hour chart daily for 1 hour, we can see if we can get like a nice idea. We have this fair value gap here. If you can trade through this fair value gap and form off an SMT there, that will be like low of the week formed, and expecting like higher prices from there. Yeah. So that's all for me. Nothing more. On gold, the same thing. I'm looking for higher prices. Uh, yep. Not looked at it. I'm not interested in it this week. Because my friend will be actually looking at it, so he'll be sharing his ideas on them. Yep. But I would like higher prices on them both. Because there we have this liquidity on silver. That's my drawn liquidity, and gold has no liquidity to want. So like we're expecting just higher prices. So what if you're expecting higher prices? What do you expect? Open, low, high, close. Yep. Power of three, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Yep. So that's all for me. And actually, thanks guys. I will try this week and post more of my videos. So thanks.